In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable desktop notifications in Google Meet. If you're someone who frequently uses Google Meet for virtual meetings, it's crucial to stay updated with notifications, ensuring that you never miss an important message or call. This will not only help in keeping you organized, but also ensure that you remain attentive to all incoming communications during your virtual interactions. Let's start from the Google Meet interface. When you have Google Meet open, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You're going to see three vertical dots, which is generally referred to as the More Options or Settings menu. Clicking on these three dots will expand a drop-down menu, giving you a list of additional settings you can customize to enhance your Google Meet experience. Once you've clicked on the three dots, it's time to select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open a new window displaying various options, allowing you to manage your Google Meet environment more effectively. Here, you'll see a list of different categories. To proceed, we're focusing on the General section. Click on General to explore various settings related to basic functionalities in Google Meet. As you navigate through the General settings, keep an eye out for the option labeled Desktop Notification. This is the feature we want to enable so that you receive real-time alerts on your desktop whenever there's an update or an invite from your Google Meet. You'll notice a toggle switch next to the Desktop Notification option. If it's turned off, the toggle will appear grey. Simply click on the toggle switch and it should turn blue, indicating that desktop notifications are now enabled. Enabling desktop notifications is a useful way to ensure you don't miss any critical updates or ongoing discussions during your meetings. This feature will provide you with timely alerts, keeping you informed even when you're multitasking or away from the tab where your Google Meet is active. And that's it. With just these few steps, you've successfully enabled desktop notifications in Google Meet. Now, whenever there's any activity on your Google Meet, a notification will appear on your desktop, making it easier for you to stay on top of your meetings. This simple adjustment can enhance your communication flow and make remote interactions more efficient. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials that can help you optimize your digital workspace. Thanks for watching.